Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we'll start, the disclaimers. First one, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. And the second one is that you will be able to follow my steps if you've got the if you've got the Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, just check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific Acer device, or you can add it after entering the Play Store, but be aware about that. Alright, so as I said, let's enter the Play Store. And now we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and enter Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage. And here we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got all updates pending. And basically, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update all of them, or simply choose specific options. So I'll choose maybe Contacts, maybe Google Chrome, and maybe Google Maps. And after marking specific apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.